In this lesson, we will learn how to answer the question, why should we hire you? This question can be in many different formats, such as, what makes you a suitable candidate for this position? What can you bring to this role that other candidates can't? Explain why your background and experience would be a good fit for this job. Companies ask this question to mainly understand what qualities and skills you can bring into this role and whether your skills match with what they are looking for. They may also want to learn whether your values align with the company's and whether you can fit into the corporate culture. When you answer the question, your answer should include the following. Your answer should mention both technical and soft skills that you can bring to this role. If you do not have the technical skills, you can mainly discuss the soft skills. You should also discuss your values and how they benefit the team. It is also good to share your passion and interests related to this role to showcase your motivation. Using short examples to support your statement regarding your skills will make your answer stronger. Before we move on, let's take a look at a few examples. The combination of examples 1 and 3 makes a perfect example because example 1 focused more on the soft skills and example 3 focused more on the technical skills. It is better to discuss both technical skills and soft skills if you have them. Example 2 states some skills but does not provide any detail. We previously referred to technical skills and soft skills several times. Technical skills are also known as hard skills. These are the job-specific skills and they cannot be easily transferred. Technical skills can be often measured or quantified. Some examples include language skills and IT skills. Soft skills refer to an individual's social ability and how they relate to and interact with other people. Soft skills are often transferable and you can use those skills in different jobs. However, they cannot be measured easily. In order to write a good answer, you can take the following steps. First, you should read the job description, because almost all job descriptions state what the role is looking for. If they do not have it there, you may be able to find them on the company's website. Usually you can find both technical and soft skills they are looking for in the job description. The reason for doing this is you need to tailor your answer according to what they are looking for. Step 2. Spend some time to understand the nature of the role. Sometimes you can find this information on the company's website. If you cannot, you can speak to someone from the company to learn more about the role. This is often seen as a positive action as it demonstrates your motivation. Once you've understood what they do on a daily basis, you can make your answer more specific and to the point. Step 3. You may have several skills and qualifications that you want to include. However, you cannot talk about all of them. You should choose the most relevant ones, the ones that you can provide a strong example. When you consider what to include, you should not only think about the skills you have. If you have a relevant internship or work experience, it will be an advantage. So you should make sure to include them. Also, achievements that make you really stand out from the crowd and are relevant to the job can also be included. For example, if you are applying for a marketing job and you worked on a marketing-related case study at school and achieved a great result, you can also mention this. However, when you mention your work experience and achievements, it is important to include what you have learned. Finally, once you have all the information, you should start writing the answer. When you organize your statements, you can start with the relevant work experiences first and then talk about your skills. When you mention your skills though, you can provide short examples of where you demonstrated these skills. However, your examples should not be in too much detail unless it is necessary. You will now see a few good examples, and you can write your answers based on the examples.